So I followed all the instructions correctly. I got to this point, install the batteries. At the bottom it says, do not touch keypad until the blue light turns off. Then it says, test the lock button with the door open. Okay, so the blue light went off and it's now in the open position or locked position. If I unlock the door with the key and like the instruction said, press the lock button to test, that's what I get. It says another test unlocking 1, 2, 3, 4 and the unlock button. So let's try this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Unlock, and what does it do? Locks the door. I have disassembled and reassembled this lock so many times. This is the only way it can fit and go. I have a right-handled door, and so I followed the instructions for that. But as you can see, unlock actually means lock, and lock means unlock. Let's try that again. One, 2, 3, 4, and the unlock button will extend the deadbolt, and it's locked. If you press the lock button, unlocks the deadbolt. So I don't know if in other cultures or whoever made this, they are backwards, but the lock icon unlocks the door and the unlock icon locks the door. This is going to be confusing for people who visit. Thanks a lot.